Hi, buddy. Come. Come. Place. Place. Come on. Place. Place. Get up there. Come on. Place. Place. I would do a different one. Come on. Come on. No, not that one. Place. Jack. Place. Good boy. Look at me. Good boy. Good boy. It's a good boy. Here you go. Break. Okay, hold on, hold on, hold on. Jack. Place, 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 place. Atta boy. Say hi, Bobby. Say hi, Bobby. Good boy. Break. Break. Place. Sit. Atta boy. Atta good boy. Here you go. Okay, break. Place. Sit. That's a good boy. You a good boy? There you go. Break. Place. He likes placing, Bobby. Sit. We're doing it on the rocks up at Rosemont, or at the middle school. Okay? Come on. Come on. There's 26 of them. And we come up here and we place on them pretty much every night. Different size rocks and stuff. Okay? Come on. Let's show them a really challenging one. Come on. Come on. Here, this one's... Okay. Look at that one. Stay. Stay. Good boy. It's got a very thin top on it, if you can see. Okay. There you go. Good boy. That's a good boy. Come on. Break. Hold on. Come on. Here's a bigger one here. Place. That a boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Break. Come on. Oh, he loves these rocks, man. Loves them. Don't you, Jack? Here you go. Oop. You okay, buddy? There you go. Here. There's a big one for you. You okay? Good boy. Break. Nope. We're gonna come on. Let's do the real big one, okay? Oh, here's a big one. Place. Get up on the top of it. Good boy. That's a boy. Here you go. Hip. Up. 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 Place. Come on. Place. There you go. That's a good boy. Sit.
97.
Sit. That's a good boy. Break. We're gonna go to the big rock at the end. Come on. Come on. Come on. Big rock. Place. That a boy. Oh yeah. That a boy. Let's show Bobby the big rock again. Come on. Break. Break. Okay. Place again. Place. That a boy. Stay. 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 Sit. To show you how big that rock is, Bobby. He's way up there. Okay. Here you go. Here you go. There you go. Leave it. He's getting distracted. There you go. Okay, just thought I'd take it. I'm going to send it to you.